Hello everyone. Hello. My name is William Icon Sokwa. I am in class 1. My school name is Ntuki Island. I am here in front of you to a reading competition. Welcome. The two frogs. One day, two frogs fell into a churn of milk. They swam round and round and tried to hop out. As there was no solid support under their feet, it was not possible for the frogs to hop out and escape. After some time, one of the frogs said, "I am completely tired. I can't swim any longer. I am giving up." He gave up and went down to the bottom of the churn. He was drowned. The other frog said, "I will go on swimming. I hope something will happen and save me." So he went on swimming. His movements churned the milk and turned it in not butter. After some time, the frog climbed up to one up to up on the part of butter and popped out of the churn. God helps those who help themselves.
Hapo